Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to disable your activity status on Instagram.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Learn how to disable activity status feature on Instagram, so your friends won't know when you are online. To begin, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, from the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon, in the top right corner. From the bottom, select Settings. From Settings, tap on Privacy. From Privacy, find Activity Status. Tap on it. By default it is enabled. Now toggle this button off, to disable the feature. That's it. You have successfully disabled your activity status. From now on, your friends will not be able to see when you are online on Instagram, and you will no longer be able to see whether any of your friends are online either. So in this way, you can disable your activity status on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.